In this video, you'll learn how to create a work profile on your Pixel 9a. By setting up a work profile, you can effectively separate your personal and work data, ensuring a clear distinction between the two. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9 and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you've opened the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Passwords and Accounts, or simply Accounts. In this section, look for the option that allows you to work profile. This feature is essential for creating a dedicated space for your work-related applications and data. Tap on this option to initiate the setup process. Before proceeding, ensure you have your work credentials readily available, as you will need them during the setup. After tapping to add a work profile, follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your work email address. Your organization may require additional verification steps, which could involve entering a code sent to your email or phone. Accept any permissions requested for work apps, as these permissions are necessary for the functionality of your work profile. Once you've completed these steps, the system will begin to create a separate profile for work use. It is important to wait until the setup process completes fully to ensure that everything is configured correctly. Once the setup is complete, you can access your work applications from the dedicated Work tab in your app drawer. This tab will contain all the apps associated with your work profile, keeping them separate from your personal apps. You have the flexibility to turn the work profile on or off at any time, allowing you to manage when you want to access work-related information. Additionally, you can manage notifications and app permissions separately within the work profile. This separation helps maintain your privacy between personal and work data, ensuring that your work applications do not interfere with your personal ones. At this point, you can customize the settings of your work profile according to your preferences. This may include adjusting notification settings or changing app permissions based on your work profile is now active, and you can begin using it to manage your work tasks more efficiently while keeping your personal data secure. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.